In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom meeting. We'll walk through opening the app, starting your meeting, inviting your guests, and admitting them so you can get everyone connected smoothly. Start by opening the Zoom Workplace desktop app on your PC. Before you proceed, make sure you're signed into your account. Being signed in ensures you have host controls and that the meeting launches under your profile. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log in. Once you are, you'll land on the Home tab. On the Home tab, look for the large orange New Meeting button. It looks like a video camera and is easy to spot. Click it, and a new meeting window will open automatically. If your device asks for permission to use the camera or microphone, allow it so people can see and hear you. Some setups show a quick confirmation. If you see a prompt to start, click Start to proceed, and your meeting will begin. Once your meeting window is open, move your cursor to the bottom of the screen. If the toolbar isn't visible, just wiggle your mouse to reveal it. Click Participants. This opens a panel, usually on the right side, where you can see who is currently in the meeting and manage invites. To bring people in, stay in that Participants panel and click the Invite button. You'll see a few easy choices. You can select Copy Invite Link for a quick shareable link, or Copy Invitation if you prefer a full message with additional details. In this walkthrough, choose Copy Invite Link. That places the join link on your clipboard. Now open your preferred communication tool, an email, a text message, or a chat app, and paste the link into a new message. You can paste with a right click and paste, or use your keyboard shortcut. It helps to add a short note so your guests recognize what the link is for and when to join. Send the message to your guests. As your guests click the link and begin to join, keep an eye on the participants panel. You'll see their names appear as they connect. If you have the waiting room enabled, each person will queue there first. Click Admit next to a name to let that person into the meeting. If the waiting room isn't enabled, they'll join automatically. That's all there is to it. Open the app, start your meeting, share the link, and admit your guests from the waiting room if prompted. Keep the participants panel open to monitor arrivals, and you're ready to begin your discussion.